You're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make money on Printify with zero money spent. So you won't have to spend a dollar. I'll be showing you how to set up a website and everything for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto printify.com. From there, you'll be able to create an account for free. So you're going to tap on Start for Free and you'll be prompted to enter your email address, or you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Once you're finished, you're going to simply tap on Start for Free, for example. And from here, just going to sign in real quick. After you have signed in, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, what I want you to do next is go over to the top left hand corner, right where you see Test Store Pod on my screen. You're going to tap right there and you're going to tap on Add a New Store. After you have tapped on Add a New Store, these are the different platforms that you'll be able to integrate Printify on. But since we are creating a completely free store, we're going to use the Printify pop-up option. So you're going to tap on that. After selecting Printify pop-up, you're going to type in your store name. So let's say, for example, I want to call this store Jason's Tutorial. So let's do that real quick. After you have typed in the name, you can see the store URL that you'll be provided with, and you're going to type in your country of residency. So let me do that real quick. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Next. Once you have tapped on Next, you'll be redirected to the Themes page, and you can see you have the option of 5 different themes that you can choose from. So you're going to select the theme that you'd like to use, then tap on Launch Pop-up Store. Then from here, we're going to tap on Add Products, and you're going to tap on Browse Products. After doing that, you can select the type of products that you would like to add to your store. So let's say, for example, I would like to create a store that sells hoodies. I could simply tap on hoodies. Then you can select your target market. So whether that is USA, Canada, Europe, Australia, China, or the United Kingdom. Or you can specify by colors. You can do branding, printing area, and so on. You can zone down. We're going to be selecting the best seller. After selecting the best seller, as you can see right here, we're going to tap on Start Designing. Now, to add your design, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. You could tap on Upload and you could upload your design. There are numerous platforms that you can create a design on for completely free, even as a beginner. One of the most popular platforms to use is Canva. So you could go onto canva.com and create an account for completely free. Once on Canva, you could type in, for example, t-shirt logos in the search bar right here. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page on which you'll see numerous templates that you can quickly edit. All you'll need to do is simply scroll through the different templates. Then let's say, for example, I would like to use this one. You can tap on it. Then you could tap on Customize this template. After you have done that, you can tap here and you can start editing the template. So you can see Eat, Sleep, Repeat is this template right here. You could make some changes and change it around. Then from there, you'll tap on Share in the top right hand corner. Then tap on Download, then tap on Download once more. After you have downloaded your template, you're going to go back into Printify. Tap on Upload in the top left hand corner, then select My Device, and you're going to select the template that you have created. Then tap on Open, and you can see it has now been added right there. Once it has been added, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner. Then from here, you can add the mockup image that you would like to use. So you can see there are numerous mockup images that you can select from. So this is going to be my main mockup image. Then from there, you could scroll down. You can edit the product title. You can also edit the product description. And you can scroll down. You could add a size table if you want. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Publish. And keep in mind that you could also edit the pricing if you want by scrolling down. So you can see right here, typically the prices will be set for you to get a 40% profit margin. But if you like to edit the price, you could tap on select all, then tap on edit price. And if you like to increase the profit margin, you can do that. So let's say we like to increase it to 50%. We can do that right there. Then tap on apply. After you have done that, you're going to tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have done that, you can see that it is publishing. Once it has been published, the product will be added to our store, and then from there you will be able to view it. So you can see it has been added right there. So we could tap on visit store in the top right hand corner, and you can see the product right there, and you can see how our storefront looks. So it does look very professional. And if we were to tap on the product, you can see how the product page looks right there, and you can see the different size options. We can also see the different payment options that we'll be able to accept, the estimated shipping time and the shipping cost right there. And you can scroll down, you'll see product details and so on. So it is a very detailed and professional looking store that you'll be getting for completely free. And all you'll need to do is simply copy your store URL, and you'll be able to share it on any social media platform or so on that you want to share it on. Another thing that you can also do by going over to the left hand menu option, you can tap on store settings, and from here you can edit the name of the store if you want. You could add a logo to make it look even more professional. You could add your social media links. So for example, you can add your Facebook, Instagram, or any one of those links if you want. As you can quickly do that, you can also customize your store further, so you could change the template. You can also set up payouts by simply filling in some basic information, so you can start receiving payouts. You can also add your Google Analytics and your Facebook pixels in the future right here. You can tap on ship from, and from here you could change the shipping address if you want. You can also tap on order settings, and you could change that also. And you can also tap on branding, and from here you'll be able to edit your thank you card and so much more. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. If you were to go over to the left hand menu option, you could tap on branding right here. So let's say for example you like to add your brand on the inside label, the neck labels right here. You can do that. All you'll need to do is tap on browse eligible products, and you could do that. So you can customize your product even further if you want. So there are numerous options that you can select. You can also go over to the left hand menu option and tap on catalog, and then from there you can see all of the different products that you can add your design onto. And you can see that they have also added some new products. So from here you could add it on a coffee bag, as you can see right there. So you can see this is a new product that they have now added that you can add your design on. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.